That's a cool box. Official designer of the wheel industry. So ADV.1 just released their new FlowSpec wheels, which is their entry-level wheels. So we're gonna do an unboxing. It's not a treasure chest, bro.
It's a treasure chest, bro. We don't know what's in here.
So you ready? Yeah.
Just kidding, psych!
Oh wow.
Fire. Just fired it.
So this is an ADV.5 FlowSpec wheel. I like the center cap. Oh, it's actually, dude, this is actually really detailed. There's actually cutouts in the center cap to save weight. This is nice.
Oh yeah, that's sick. That's a nice center cap.
Spoke design is really cool. I think for the fact that this is an entry-level wheel, because it does take a lot of time to cut out all these little areas and angles and things like that. So if you're interested in getting ADV.1 wheels, this is a great option, especially if you don't want to spend forged wheel pricing. We're putting on the ADV FlowSpec wheels onto our Shop Model 3. So we're switching out the old wheels that we had on this. We had the Vosses on here. We like these wheels, but it's time to try something different. We'll be selling these at a really good price. So you guys want this set that's on our car, let us know, hit us up. And since we have the wheel out, I figure we might as well weigh it. It is reading 26.7 pounds. This is the front wheels. This is not bad at all. 28.5. We are done installing the new ADV.1 wheels. Can't go wrong with the clean 10-spoke design. 20 by 9 in the front, 20 by 10.5 in the rear. These are in the classic matte black, satin black finish. I really like ADV.1's take on the 10-spoke design with these what I call spoke arches they have incorporated on every single one of the spokes. It really takes that timeless 10-spoke and just makes it a lot more up to date. And here we have the center cap that's really unique with all these little cutouts around the edges. Saves weight, but it also looks really cool. And here's the side profile of the wheel. So you get some pretty nice concavity, and as you can see, pretty much flush. And here's the front as well, just so you guys can see. And the cool thing about the spoke design is if you're brave enough to do a bright color finish, it would really bring out the details in the wheel. If you're brave enough to do something bright, definitely go for it. If you guys want to set for your Model 3, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.